and I'm from B5 Mammoth SPD. And today we are going to make a healthy snack and a healthy drink. For the healthy snack, we're going to make a homemade taco because a homemade taco is healthier and we can make it out of healthier ingredients. And for the drink, we can make infused water. And the ingredients you will need for taco is beef. It helps your muscles grow. Onions. It has vitamin B and helps us reduce high blood pressure. And lettuce. Lettuce has vitamin K and helps strengthen bones. And carrots have vitamin A and helps us with our eyesight. And we also have onion leaves. And we also have pepper and salt for a little bit of taste. And we also have a paratha, and it has carbohydrate in it. So now let's go and take a trip to my kitchen and make the taco. Let's go. Okay friends, we are finished cooking all of the ingredients and now we're going to put the taco together. So first we're going to put our lettuce on one of the sides. Once you're done with that, you're going to take your meat and put it on top of the lettuce. And after that, you can also put any kind of sauce you want, or even mayonnaise or something like that. But I like mine plain, so when you're done, you could just flip it and your taco is ready. And boom. Taco. Okay, so now we are going to make our infused water. So the ingredients you need is a lemon, and it has vitamin C and help us remove radicals that can damage our cells. Strawberries that has vitamin C and help us fight inflammatory disorders. And mint leaves have vitamin A, C, and E and can give us potassium, calcium, iron, and others. So now we're going to make our water. Okay friends, I have chopped down all of the ingredients and now we're going to put them all in. And once you're done with that, you're just going to pour in some water. Alrighty. But first, before you drink it, you have to put it in the freezer so that it will taste even better. Okay, so now we are done making our food and our drink. And excuse me, I'm just going to take a little bite. This is really good. So now I am done with the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new in it. And I hope you make your own healthy snack.